Right guys, so as you can see, we've got her outside, looking nice and clean, looking like a car. When I say clean, I mean like the front end's all nice and buttoned up. I have had to cover the front number plate. The car is absolutely pitted. As you can see there, it's in very good need of a valet. If the camera decides to stay focused, you'll see it. And then if we look at the windows there, you can see they're covered in bird poo. But the car itself is absolutely filthy. But I won't be valeting it because I have sold this car already, and the way this one actually sold was a bit different. So someone came in who knows me, and they've asked me to they know that I'm buying and selling cars and stuff like that, and they know that I've been making a few YouTube videos, but they didn't know the history with this car. So I told them, I said, yeah, look, I am. Is that ripped down there? No. So I've told them, yeah, look, I have rebuilt this car, bought it from an auction, was damaged, went on YouTube, showed them all the videos. I went on the Copart listing and showed them the damage when I bought it. As you can see, the car does need a good clean. It's got all the mats and that. So I did tell them, look, this is the condition I bought it in, this is how I repaired it. They did ask for me to remove the plastic slam panel on the actual bumper. They did ask me to remove the bumper slam panel, so I could show them behind there. Because we didn't, when the guy was fitting the that's just the passenger airbags off. I seen the switch and I turned it off. But they did ask me to remove that, and that wasn't an issue. So I did remove it and show them behind the crash bar and everything that the person who I bought it off replaced it, and then they were happy with that. We went through all the paperwork because it's got full service history, all dealer stamped, and this car actually belonged quite close to me before it was written off, which I wasn't aware of. It was actually, well, it was serviced at multiple different garages throughout the years, but every single garage is within a 10 to 20 minute drive, so that's a bit different. The person has now subscribed to the channel, so if you are seeing this video, this is your car. Obviously I'm just talking a little bit about you as well, but they're not bothered about anything else. They've seen it, they're happy with the car, we've negotiated a price, they liked all the repairs. They were more than happy with the repairs. They had no questions or issues regarding that, and they were happy to take it. Well, they wanted to take it away today, even though I insisted I'll clean it and I'll polish the bonnet and the bumper, but they said no, we're going to do that ourselves, because the person who's bought it, they are they do like bodywork stuff themselves. So they've said, they did point out a few issues that they weren't too happy with on the car, but they're not massively fussed, and they did say that, look, it's your first time trying, that line there, they said that it needs to be built up a little bit. It looks a lot worse than it is there, but it's not really that bad. If I can try and get what I can see here. So this looks like it's all creased here, but it's not, it's just shadows. Even that bit of waviness is shadows, and they've told me that the orange peel just needs wet sanding back and polishing, but they're going to respray the bonnet. The bumper they're more than happy with, and they've told me that they're just going to go ahead and wet sand it and get it back to what it should look like. They've told me they're going to polish the rest of the car, which will bring the shine back and it'll blend it in perfectly. They've told me that's fresh paint. It's expected to not be 100% unless you blow in. Obviously, it's their profession, they know what they're doing. And they did say to me, it's quite a good job, carrying on what you're doing, and you can only get better. They told me that they will, stay in contact and give me some future advice if needs be. So, you couldn't write it, didn't have to advertise this car, didn't have to advertise the last few cars, and we've managed to sell it. So on that note, we'll have to move on to our next car, and hopefully we've be back very soon with another video. Anyway guys, if this has been something you're interested in, please like, share and subscribe, because it definitely helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching now, thank you.